Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. And Instagram has a new update for Instagram Reels called the dual feature, and I'll show you how you can get that and use it in this video. So the first step is to make sure you're running the latest version of Instagram. So go ahead and open up the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Just search up Instagram, and then if there's an update available, go ahead and make sure you've done that update. Then you can go and open up Instagram. Once you're on the main page, you want to tap on the Reels icon at the bottom in the center. And then you can just tap on the camera icon at the top right hand corner to create an Instagram Reel. Okay, so now in order to get the dual feature, you can see all the different icons here on the left hand side. You want to tap on this little drop down arrow right at the bottom. And then you'll see the last option there is dual. So tap on dual, and what this is going to allow you to do is use the front facing camera and the rear facing camera at the same time. So if you've seen like face cam videos on YouTube, it's going to look something like that, which is pretty cool. So I'll tap on dual, and now you can see my face cam as well as the front facing camera pointing towards the screen. So all you would need to do is press the record button in the middle, record your Instagram Reel however you want to do it, and then the editing process is the same. So if I stop that, you can now just go ahead and edit your Instagram Reel the exact same way. Then you would tap on preview, add all your effects and the sounds and everything like that, then tap on next, and you can just go and post this as an Instagram Reel. You can tag people, rename the audio, add location, all the standard stuff, and that would be a dual Instagram Reel. So that's how you get the feature, that's how you use it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.